Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I will be telling you guys about National Defense Academy and Naval Academy Examination 2022 which is conducted by Union Public Service Commission. अगर आपको एनडीए या एनए के बारे में नहीं पता या आप अभी एक हायर सेकेंडरी स्टूडेंट हो तो इस वीडियो को ज़रूर पूरा देखिए. So before we move to the advertisement, let us know something about NDA and NA. So what is NDA or NA? NDA stands for National Defense Academy and NA stands for Naval Academy. If you want to join Indian Armed Forces, that is Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, then you will have to give NDA or NA examination. And the examination is conducted by the UPSC twice every year. Once you join NDA, you will have to undergo 3 years training at NDA and 1 year training at Prospective Training Academy. That is, if you want to join Indian Army, then you will have to undergo 1 year training in Indian Military Academy. Likewise, Air Force Academy for joining Indian Air Force and Indian Naval Academy for Indian Navy. But if you join Naval Academy, then you will have to undergo 4 years training in Indian Naval Academy. So UPSC has released the advertisement for the examination and all the eligible candidates, they can apply from 22 December 2021 to 11th January 2022. And the examination will be held on 10th April 2022. Regarding the admit card will be released on March 2022 and the last date for applying is 11th January 2022, that is up to 6 p.m. only. Coming to the application fees, general candidates and OBC candidates, they will have to pay a fee of ₹100. As for SC, ST and all the female candidates, they do not have to pay any fee and you will have to pay the fee through online mode. Now let's move to the conditions of eligibility. In this first we will see the nationality. For the nationality, the criteria are the candidate should be a citizen of India or a subject of Nepal, or if you are a person of Indian origin and who has migrated from the countries which are mentioned here and the government of India has issued a certificate of eligibility, then you can apply for this examination. But in case of Gorkha subjects of Nepal, certificate of eligibility is not needed and the candidates must be unmarried, whether male or female. Coming to the age limits, sex and marital status. So those candidates who are born after 2nd July 2003 and not later than 1st July 2006 are eligible, and those candidates must be unmarried. And one thing to know is that the date of birth mentioned in your secondary school examination certificate, that is your class 10 certificate, that will be accepted by the commission. Also, once you have submitted your application, after that there will be no addition and no deletion. And those candidates who have applied for the examination, they should undertake that they won't marry until they have completed their full training. If a candidate marries after he or she has applied for the examination, then the candidate will not be selected. And if a candidate uh, gets married during the time of training, that candidate will be discharged. Coming to the height, the minimum height required for male or female candidates for entry into the armed forces is 157 centimeter. But in case of Gorkhas and candidates belonging to northeastern region of India and Garhwal and Kumaon, for them the minimum height has been kept at 152 centimeter. And the minimum height required for entry into the armed forces for female candidates is 152 centimeter, but for the Gorkhas and candidates belonging to hills of northeastern region of India and Garhwal and Kumaon, they will be accepted at the minimum height of 148 centimeter. But in case of flying branch, 163 centimeter is needed. Now coming to the vacancy details. For NDA examination, both male and female can apply, and in the army section or the army department there is total post of 208, and any student who has passed class 12 or who are those who are appearing in the class 12 examination, they can apply for this examination. As for the Navy and Air Force, in the Navy department there are 42 posts, and in the Air Force department there are 120 posts. So those students who have passed their class 12 with physics and mathematics as a subject, and those who are appearing in their class 12 examination with physics and mathematics as their subject, they can apply for the NDA examination. As for the Naval Academy examination, only male candidates they can apply for the Naval Academy examination, and those candidates who have passed their class 12 or who are appearing in the class 12, who are appearing for the examination of class 12, they can apply in the Naval Academy examination, and the post is 30. So the total number of posts is 400. So the last date of application is 11 January 2022 till 6 p.m. And if you change your mind after you have applied for the examination, that you don't want to go for the examination, that you don't want to appear for the examination, then you can withdraw your application from 18 January to 24 January till 6 p.m. So that's it with the advertisement. So I hope this video was informative for you guys. If you want more details about this advertisement, then a link for the PDF has been given below. And for any queries, you can write in comment section. And for any kind of cyber service, you can visit our cyber zone. The address is provided in the video itself. So till then, take care.